Hello everybody and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today for this Smokey New Year's Eve eyeshadow tutorial. Today I am using the Urban Decay Naked Metal Mania palette. Look how pretty this palette is. Ricardo's mom actually got this for me for Christmas and I looked at it and I said, oh my god, if this is not the most perfect eyeshadow palette for New Year's, like I don't know what is. So that's what we're using today. The pigmentation is amazing. The quality is amazing. I am so happy that she bought this for me. So let's jump right in. This shade is called Sound Tower and this is going to be my transition color. I'm just going back and forth in the crease. I really built this shade up because I knew I was going to do something a little smoky, metallic, so I went back and forth quite a few times just to build up the color. Here I'm taking the shade Studio and just deepening up the look a little more. This is going in the crease and in the outer V. I have not used an Urban Decay eyeshadow palette in a really long time, but let me tell you, I really like their quality. These shadows are so easy to use, but they're still super pigmented. So here I'm taking the shade Road Crew and deepening up the look. I was going to use black, but instead I decided to use this really like dark, like burnt chocolate brown shade. That's my description of it, okay? It's super dark. So that's in the outer V and in the crease, and I'm using this little Rimmel brush. This is my favorite little brush. It packs on color, but you can blend out with it at the same time. It's amazing. So here I took concealer and I concealed the inner portions of my lids because I really want this shade to pop, guys. Even though you do not need concealer to make this shade pop. This shade is so unique. It's called Spike Stud. It is a metallic silver and it's like a cream to powder finish. I don't know, that's the best I can explain it. It is so metallic. I was like, oh my god. So I put that all over the lid, not all over the lid, in the inner portion of the lid, and then I did blend out the silver with the really dark brown, just so everything is like seamless. So now it's time for my favorite part ever. You guys know the drill, my concealer routine. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm sharpening up my edge and also concealing underneath my eyes. And then to set that, I use the Givenchy PRISME LIBRE loose powder. To line the lower lash line, I used that super dark brown and I just lined it. I did blend it out with the transition color, but those clips were super blurry, so I didn't even include it. For the lashes, I used Kiss number 11, and this is the final look. Look how pretty it is. You don't even need liner, okay? But you can always add liner. This is the perfect New Year's Eve eyeshadow tutorial, okay, guys? So I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.